for instance, it is over 8,000 euros. He argued that it is precisely because of the low salaries that more than 20,000 doctors have left the country in the past few years. Himself a physician, the current health minister Nicolae Bănicioi, the Social Democrat, has proposed a set of measures to ensure the required number of specialists in hospital wards in spite of the migration of medical personnel. On Monday, he asked for Parliament's support for a bill drawn up by the government in this respect. Nicolae Bănicioi. We're talking about an increase in physicians' incomes. Indeed, it is a rethinking of the system by means of certain facilities, which basically ensure supplemental remuneration for the work provided in public hospitals and for private patients. According to the minister, 100% bonuses will be paid for weekend shifts and working on legal holidays. To ensure round-the-clock healthcare services, he also suggests the system should also include third-year resident doctors under the supervision of a specialist doctor. The Liberals in opposition do not believe this project is practical. Here is Liberal Deputy Horia Cristian.
Eu cred că lucrul ăsta este de neconceput, pentru că...
I believe this is unacceptable because the training system is deficient, to use an euphemism. In short, I believe this is a complex problem and it requires vision. It requires large-scale discussion, which should include complex measures. The public largely shares the skepticism of the opposition, particularly after the chaos generated earlier this month by the introduction of the compulsory health cards. Any visit to the family physician, hospital or pharmacy can only be refunded based on this card. People who are not covered by public insurance benefit from a minimal package of services, and emergency services do not require the use of health cards. But when the law came into force, hundreds of thousands of insured patients had not received their cards, and the IT system crashed in the first day of the operation.
Radio Newsreel continues on Radio Romania International.